Do you like exotic drinks? Yeah, me too. How about travel, fun, and cool bar stuff? Well then, you're going to be right at home here. Different drink, different town, different stuff. Every week, a brand new adventure. So, let's get to it. It's pour time. Hey everybody, PourMan here, and we are here in Carlsbad, California, Carlsbad Village Shopping Center, and smack dab in the middle of that is the compass. And my boy Jerry here is going to teach us how today to make a Beets of Burden, and it's got all kinds of good stuff in it, so I cannot wait to taste this. Jerry, what do you say? Are you about ready to do this? I'm ready. I'm about ready for you to do this. So, 3, 2, 1, go!
So the Beets of Burden, we use a crop organic vodka, 2 ounces of that, half ounce of our yuzu liqueur.
More liqueur is better. PourMan likes a lot of liquor.
Exactly. Use 1 ounce of our Beets of Burden. This is a house-made simple syrup using beets and rose water. We cook them in the oven for an hour, puree them, and then add them rose water and simple syrup.
The cocktails are here are amazing.
Thank you, I appreciate it. A little bit of lemon juice.
Milkshake technique.
Right. Use a little soda water just for the carbonation, brighten it up a little bit.
Wow. Another perfect pour.
A little lemon zest for the garnish.
And there you have it. The Beets of Burden. Do try this at home. I'm going to try it right now. Wow, that is amazing. To get the recipe, go to pourmanmike.com, and you can click this button right here. You'll become instantly a Pour Minion, and that's going to give you a head-of-the-line speed pass for each and every new PourMan episode. So, until next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. We'll see you around.